Hello my people, thank you for tuning in to True Jamaican Experience. Today I'll be showing you how to extract video footage from your CCTV DVR system. Let's go. The first thing you'll need is a storage device, like a flash drive. Yes, this is a storage device, like a flash drive. You'll need something like this to store your video footage on. Next thing you'll do, you'll have to make sure to identify the footage that you need and the time span that you will be extracting to your storage device. So let's go. So we're now here at the TV screen, and we will be showing you how to extract your CCTV footage from the DVR to your storage device. Alright, so let's go. First, you'll be putting the storage device, the flash drive, you'll have to put it into the DVR. Sometimes it's at the front where you push it in, plug it in, and sometimes at the back, so you'll have to make sure to identify where to plug in the flash drive properly so that you don't have any problem with the transfer. Good. So after you plug in the flash drive, people, you will scroll through and go to your menu on the device, go to Playback. Once you're in Playback, you would select the number of cameras that you want to store from. So today we'll be storing from channel, we call the cameras channel. So today we'll be storing from channel 1, 4, 5 and 21. They have already been pre-selected, so then you go ahead and find the date of the incident that you would want to extract. Good. Identify the date, press OK, and then you would press play on the system. Once it starts to play, we have reached the section now that we are into the playback feature of your DVR. So we're going ahead, we have identified the date that we want to extract the playback from, and now we have pressed play. So we're going to identify now the time span that you want to extract. That's very important. So we would go to 1345. Good, so we're going to put it to 1345. Nice. So as you can see, people, this DVR has the capability of sound. So not just to see the video footage, but it actually hears everything around it, which is a very good camera system, a DVR system to get. So you get video and audio, which is very, very important. So good, we have identified 1340, so you pause it right there, and then you press cut, which is the trimming feature of this device, which you would see a little symbol of scissors. You press that, which is to trim the footage to the time span that we want to extract. So we have pressed it, and then we would select where we would move on to, and then we press back trimming device, firstly, and then you select that time that you want it to move to, and then you press the backup symbol. It's like the saving symbol on the computer. It's the similar symbol of a floppy disk. You press backup. Once you press backup to the system, you go ahead, you will see that it identifies the storage device that you have the storage device that we have plugged into the DVR. It shows up on the system now, so you know that it is reading properly. And then we would go ahead and press backup. Now it shows you the length of time which we want it to back up. It is showing us channel 1, and the time span on the 15th is 13:41, which is 1:41 p.m. to 14:22, which is 2:22 p.m. and then we would go ahead and press start. So it is running now. As you can see, the system is very fast. It has a lot of memory, 5 terabytes of memory, which is really a lot. Almost finished backing up channel 1. Remember to tune in to Jamaican Experience, like, subscribe and share, and you know, I just thank you for continuing to view my content. So let's go. We have 9 seconds leave for this one. Message backup finished. Okay, so we will repeat this process again. Yes, my people, we're back. Thank you for tuning in to True Jamaican Experience. Continue to like, subscribe and share. So let's go. Yes, as I said earlier, we did the extraction of channel 1, camera 1. So, you know, let us go through again so that we know that you know how to go through the process. First, from the live page, which is the actual footage now, you would go into the menu, press playback. When you're in the playback, you would select the camera that you want to back up from, and then after that you select the date for the date of the backup that you want. Then now, once you select those, you press OK, and then press play on the taskbar of the system. Then you would go to the time that you want your backup to start. After you identify that time, then you press the trimming tool, which is the scissors icon, and then move on to the, after that you select the second section, which is where you want your system to complete, where you want it to finish. So from start to finish, then you press back the scissors tool, it will be closed, and then the save icon will come up and you press backup. So we have completed this backup and we're moving on now. Yes, my people, True Jamaican Experience.